我们深信绿色工程，就是未来的电子工程，而工程师是实践技术、推动梦想的人。在场的各位，你们就是这一群幕后的英雄。我们非常感谢所有的工程师协助我们推动这个梦想的前进。记住，在你们的工作中，你们有曾经被感动的那一刻吗？我们记住这个感动，让我们的工作不仅是只有工作，还有更多附带的价值。我们诚心代表 AspenCore E-Times 在这里提前预祝所有的幕后英雄们，还有你们这些优秀的企业以及人物。好，谢谢大家，谢谢。
谢谢，热情的掌声献给 Chris， 也请 Chris 留步了，因为呢，接下来我们即将麻烦的为各位颁发亚洲人物奖精选杰出艺人 HR Outstanding EE Professional。The Asia Outstanding EE Professional, the winner is Mr. Venkata Hansari。哇，恭喜！那我们这次会采用视讯的方式哦。Managing Director and CEO of Moschip Technologies。Yes, let's welcome Mr. Venkata Hansari. Please watch your camera to receive the award and taking a photo with Grace.So Venkata, would you please thumb up, okay?
Yes, I can hear you very well.
You can hear us, okay.
And again, good evening to all of you there. My sincere apologies, I could not join you physically this time. I like to thank EE Times and EE Awards for giving me this opportunity.And as you know, I've been the CEO of Moschip for the last 5 years. After living in USA, Silicon Valley for almost 30 years, I moved to Hyderabad, India 5 years ago. And Moschip is a publicly listed semiconductor and embedded systems company headquartered in Hyderabad. And when I took over the company was around 200 engineers with a couple of $1 million revenues. And in the last 5 years, it grew to 1,300 engineers with close to $5 million revenues. And it has been a great turnaround story.And I thank all my colleagues at Moschip and my investors, for helping me to make this happen. And also, I like to, let you know that just last month I have left Moschip as a CEO. I am still working with Moschip as a strategic advisor. And I am working on a couple of exciting projects in India right now.As most of you know, the Indian government has put together a plan to promote semiconductor industry and allocated $10 billion budget to invite fabs and OSATs and compound semiconductor fabs, and also fabless product companies. So it is a great opportunity for companies.from Taiwan, from US, from other parts of the world, to make use of the talent, especially the design talent that is available in India, and also the government support we are getting here. And with that, I thank you all for giving me this opportunity, and I really appreciate the award that's been given to me. Thank you once again.
谢谢，热烈掌声，恭喜 Venkata Hansari。那是不是我们再邀请 Grace 来到我们舞台中央 ？Venkata Hansari, would you please take a photo with Grace one more time, okay? Please smile and look at our camera to receive the award and take a photo with Grace.谢谢，热情掌声，再一次非常感谢 Venkata Hansari。Thanks for your sharing。接下来我们要颁